Hello everyone. Let us learn something more about Nagaland. Hello, I am Nagaland, one of the smallest states of India. Compared to other states, it is smaller, called the Switzerland of the East. Here we have a land of folklore passed down through generations with music as an integral part of our life. Which is an integral part of our life, music. The exquisitely picturesque means beautiful picture, landscapes, the vibrantly colorful sunrise. Here, vibrantly means bright. Sunrise and sunset, lush and verdant. Verdant means green in color and fresh also. Flora means what? Plant, vegetation. Make my land unimaginably beautiful. The state capital is, the capital of Nagaland is Kohima. The state is mostly mountainous. Hill state. Mount Saramati is the highest peak with a height of about 3,840 meters and its range forms a natural barrier. Barrier means what? It's a wall-like structure, barrier, between Nagaland and Burma. There are over 16 tribes and sub-tribes that inhabit means live in my exotic hill state, means unusual, very beautiful, each with its own unique, colorful and intricately designed costumes. Their costumes are different from us. Jewelry and beads that adorn them. Today, many of my young people have ventured into fashion, designing, creating fabrics that blend our traditional motifs and with modern appeal. Means traditional and modern clothes and blended, mixed with traditional and modern. So much so, I have become a paradise for those who are into fashion designing. Means Nagaland is famous for fashion world. People refer to me as an affluent fashion station of the East. It's also called as Switzerland of the East. My land is an ideal place for trekking. Trekking means what? Mountain climbing, rock climbing, jungle camping, and offers limitless exploration possibilities in its lush and verdant subtropical rainforest. Here you can see the subtropical rainforest. There are evergreen forest, tropical rainforest, deciduous forest. Different types of forests are there depending upon the temperature zone. Here we have subtropical rainforest. Here we have an abundance of medicinal herbs too. I am known as the falcon capital of the world. Which is the falcon capital of the world? Nagaland. It's also known as the Switzerland of the East. The great Indian hornbill is one of the most famous birds found here. Nagas by nature are lovers of fun and frolic here. Life is one long festival. Dance and songs are a part and parcel of all our festivities. Most of our dances are performed with a robust rhythm. If you love a colorful life and appreciate ethnic means what? Cultural group, dominant group, culturally dominant group, ethnic customs and traditions with their unique songs, dances and festivals. You must come to our Naga Heritage Village, which showcases our cultural heritage. Naga Heritage Village is also very famous. Do come and participate in our great Hornbill Festival. Hornbill Festival in Nagaland is very famous. Nagaland. Nagaland is also called the Switzerland of the East. Kohima is the capital of the mostly mountainous state. Mount Saramati is the highest peak here with a height of 3,840 meters. It's also known as the Falcon capital of the world, where the great Indian hornbill is also found.